Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you some very important shortcut keys which is very important for the computer users. So let us start with the first one, that is Control Enter. For example, we have here a browser and we want to write down a website address, for example Facebook, and we don't want to enter www and .com. We just use a shortcut key, that is Control Enter. It will automatically write down the www and .com. And second website we will use, for example Google, and we can use Control Enter. It will automatically use the www and .com. This was the first one, and the second one is the del and backspace. For example, we can use del command. For example, we have here a word, and if you use the backspace and del commands are two different things. Backspace uses for back characters. For example, I will use back. It uses the backward. It deletes from right to left, but when it is del, we can use that. We can delete the characters from left to right. See, now I'm using del. This was about the del and the backspace commands. Now going to the third one, that is Alt plus Tab. Alt plus Tab is, for example, we have minimized number of windows here. See, this window and this window, and we want to switch the programs without using mouse. So how can we use? Simply we have to press down the Alt and Tab. See, and hold up, and you will see this. Choose one you want to see, for example settings. Again, this is how you can use the shortcut key of switching programs, that is Alt plus Tab. Now going to the fourth one, that is Alt plus F4, which is usually used to close the programs. We can use without this mouse by using the Alt F4. Now it shows this. Do you want to save? You can use the arrow key and don't save. Okay, and again we can use the Alt plus F4 to shut down the system. Alt F4, it shows us the shutdown command, and we can enter OK. But right now we don't want to shut down the computer. Now going to the next one, that's Win key plus D. Win key plus D is if you have, suppose for example, number of windows open and you want to minimize in just a one go, just use the Win key plus D. All the programs, all the windows which were open, which were on the desktop, will automatically minimize at the same time. So this was the Win key plus D. Now going to the other command, that is Control plus T to open the new tabs. For example, I have here what we use regularly. We use a mouse and click on this plus sign, but if you use keyboard, you have to just press down the Control and T. It will do the same by using this shortcut. This was about the opening a new tab. Now going to the next one, that is Control plus H. Usually we always see the history of the browser, and what we do, we go to these three dots and going here and see the things here going on, but we can use the shortcut command Ctrl plus H. It will do the same as we are doing with this mouse. Just press down the Ctrl and H. We are here in the history, and if you want to delete the history by using a shortcut command without going into the history, just press down the Ctrl, Shift and Del. See, it automatically we have to enter for clearing all the cache data, but right now I don't want to lose all the passwords. Escape. This was about deleting history in the browser. Now going to the next one, that is I think all the computer users should know this command. You may also know Alt, Control and Del. By this command you can do different things. First, you can lock the computer, switch the user, sign out, change a password, and usually we use this for task manager, where we can close some program. Suppose here a setting, we can right click on it and end task. Sometimes we have some big programs which we are not able to close because it hangs sometimes. What we can do, we can use this task manager by using this shortcut command Control Alt and Del, and then we can close that program here. For example, there are some programs that takes too much space and we are unable to close it. So in that way we can use this task manager and close the program here. This was about the Control Alt and Del. Now going to the next one, that is copy this and paste it here using Control V. When you are highlighting some words, and how can you copy using a shortcut command Control C, and when you are pasting it, what you will use Control V. Now going to the other command, that is Shift plus arrow. Suppose I want to highlight this word. What we can use the Shift plus right arrow. This will highlight my each character by pressing down the right arrow. Each time we press down the right arrow, it will highlight each character. This was all about the shortcut keys. Hope you like this video. If you like my video, please share, subscribe, and yes, like my video. Thank you for watching.